SDM's new SOP in force, roads deserted, all shops completely shut in Dipu. Lightning kills 18 wild elephants inside Socheng Thenta. Good morning and a very warm welcome to Karbing Live Morning News. You're with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in details. Owing to the rapid surge in COVID cases in the entire state of Assam, the Assam State Disaster Management Authority on May 12 released a new set of orders to contain the spread of the virus. Accordingly, the entire district of Karbi Anglong had been seen strictly following the orders, with markets being completely closed down by 1 p.m. on Thursday. By 2 p.m., the curfew restricting movement of people was imposed and roads were seen empty in Dipu town. Similar was the scene in other towns as shops and establishments were shut by 1 p.m. in towns like Hamran, Dongmukak, Bokachan, Dongkamukam and others. Meanwhile, the law and order body had also tightened patrolling across the district. Police personnel could be seen monitoring the movement of people in some of the main points in the towns. Seeing the gravity at which the virus is spreading across the state and taking lives every day, Assam DGP Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta has announced that violators of COVID SOP will be slapped with attempts to murder case.
অলপ ঘোৰা পকা ধেমালি ধুমুলা ইত্যাদিবোৰ কৰিব লাগিছিলে। এই ক্ষেত্ৰত পুলিচ অতিকে কঠোৰ হ'ব, কণ্টেইনমেণ্ট জোনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত অতিকে কঠোৰ হোৱা যাব আৰু যিটো সময়ত বজাৰ সমাৰ অকণমান এলাউ কৰি দিয়া হ'ব সেইটো সময়ৰ বাদে অন্যান্য সময়ত মানুহৰ ঘোৰা পকা যদি হয় আৰু পুলিচক ফাঁকি দি তাৰ বেৰিয়াৰটো পাৰ হৈ পেলাই পলোৱাৰ বা ইফালে ইফালে যোৱাৰ যিটো প্ৰৱণতা দেখা যায় তেতিয়া পুলিচ কিন্তু অতিকে কঠোৰ হ'ব আৰু এই ক্ষেত্ৰত কোনো আপোচ নহ'ব। তেতিয়া পুলিচক বেয়া পাই গালি পাৰি লাভ নহ'ব আৰু ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ কথা পেপাৰত প্ৰবন্ধ লিখিও লাভ নহ'ব আৰু কাৰণ আমি এতিয়া এটা ডাঙৰ বিপদৰ সন্মুখত আছোঁ।
COVID is now spreading even to the rural areas and the number of positive cases is increasing day after day. Some studies have even pointed that Northeast India may soon turn into a new hotspot for the spread of the virus. Even hospitals are now seeing the pressure of with patients struggling to find bed and proper. As such, it is a duty of all citizens to obey the orders of the administration. People have been urged to stay at indoors and not to venture outside unless it is very essential or unavoidable. Use of masks and sanitizers and maintaining social distance are still the best measures to break the chain of the spread of the virus. News report, Karbi Anglong Live. As per the latest order of the government of Assam, all shops and commercial establishments in the Dongmukak market shut down at 1 p.m. beginning from Thursday. The lockdown and shutting down of all shops to curb the further spread of the coronavirus, which has claimed more than 2 lakhs people's life in India, has been welcomed by the business community and the public in general. On the other side, one Durga Bahadur Thapa of Umrongso town in the Maha South district has succumbed to COVID-19. He was tested positive for the virus at Guwahati and was under home isolation. He was the advisor of New Tambang Village Development Committee and was very active in social work for his village. This is the first fatality from Umrongso town. Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak and Linson Ronghang from Umrongso for Karbi Anglong Live. The West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee President Sarthek Ramsa has made an explosive statement alleging that new Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has intent to completely destroy the tribal people of the state. The WKADCC president charged that the new BJP government under his leadership is a big threat to the tribal people of the Twin Hills district of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, stating that absence of elected representative at the cabinet is a proof of its intent. He said that tribal people should stop their belief of making any progress as society under this new government. Further, he stated that allotting HAD department to a non-tribal elected representative is a matter of great concerns for the people of the Three Hills district, and the complete sidelining of MLAs from the Three Hills district of the state is not only appalling, but it is a complete insult to the tribal people. He also alleged that the present government is a great threat to the tribal people of the Hills district, under which the powers of six settled would also be gradually taken away and diluted.
Anta Himanta Biswa Sarma isia bangke isia gyana bang avedalo lapen Karbia ke kapen Dima Hasao arata panalang lilang plot pendel ladak jitu inglong asopan ke langkacaria minister bangke alang lia kapreka distrika munir pan siki pihala bangke ladak Karbiang long lapen Dima Hasao arata panlang plot si ke claim lo lasi ladak kaphere meme bang ladak lapuhelo je de laso Himanta Biswa Sarma chief minister pen non Karbiang long lapen Dima Hasao rata tum pine je develop claimi pa bang mathadamun lapen kaiketa laso inglong aso power bang na paviri pansi la bangso Himanta Biswa Sarma chief minister la ka phangman alangli hala so bang kabori do alangli minister do bamuta lasi non chief minister mande da bangke alangli pang kaphere me bang adulu.
He claimed that when in power, people of the Hill districts have always been kept at the top of its priority, and the Hills Area Development Department has always been allotted to the elected representative from the Three Hills district and has always kept in the first list. Further, he alleged that tribal people are suppressed and therefore not safe under the BJP government. He also stated that the corrupt people are protected by the BJP government, and CM Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is highly skilled in managing and covering up corruption.
Congress ahut bangke first list along bangke kaita HED minister bangke Karbiang long lapen Dima Hasao MLA phanti people nanta nonela ananta Karbiang long lapen Dima Hasao rat pan lang plot pen alang li akaprek a district munir phansa ki pila ke hala bangke phere memelo lasi nona bangke ka phere meme bangke la puhelo je laso BJP sarkar do tika bangke inglong a so phanke kaike tana ke ber kaike tana ke sak kaike ta ili tumba nang ki dip hala so kama bangke laso BJP sarkar do tika bangke klempo lapen corruption bangke chidip bom lalang litu lapen laso BJP sarkar tum ladak do autonomous council tum tame jimana corruption claim ta kaiketa Himanta Biswa Sarma mata me thangta hala ke jalin la ke kaiketa alang li kidip phant ke kamatha pon ka bori pon kaiketa corrupted tum hanta hala bangalo non bange ka phere me bangke Karbiang long lapen Dima Hasao a district long ke do rat tum phana bangke.
Mohan Teron's report from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live. Beginning its preparation for the MSC elections ahead next year, the APHLC Poloni Youth Wing had on Wednesday reshuffled its body. Leaders of the party made commitment to come up stronger in the future elections after failing to secure MLA seats in the recently concluded state assembly elections. The body reshuffle program was held at Tarabasa Langherang picnic spot. The meeting was chaired by APHLC Financial Secretary Dhoniram Timong and attended by leaders including Poloni APHLC Branch Advisor Dipen Rongpi. Unanimously, Ajay Ronghang was selected as the new president of the Poloni Youth Wing, while Rangsana Tiron was given the charge of General Secretary. It was stated that the previous office bearers had resigned owing to their other responsibilities. With the new leaders appointed, the APHLC hopes to see better performance of the party under Poloni constituency. Speaking on the occasion, APHLC Branch Advisor Dipen Rongpi said that party members had to work harder to ensure positive result from constituency in the upcoming MSC elections. He urged the youths to play a pivotal role in strengthening the party. Talking to media persons, New Secretary Rangsana Theron said that apart from focusing on party's activities, they will also work for sorting several issues in the society, especially the misconducts seen in the block office. He said that his team will work to stop the corruption in various block-sponsored schemes.
Nang constituency arada pan kopia ki me ba kopiang ding nang kami claim PG ma kini pan
Nili non jong ma thabang ke dak nili tum kuni constituency long maximum ke isung do la so kisu mangun anili pachelar ponji pun boriji la tempori convenji isung bangke la block level pe na campaign cheng lock maximum hadi rong ajo ko an manang kili nei chokche system masih chokche isuan nili MIS report ta ulai lo MIS report pen ta milai le akam kadok we ke claim ta kasila so mukha bang nili un unpacking punji
Dirjuna Rongpi from Poloni, Harsing Rongpi from Habarkehat, Karbi Anglong Live. Local people of Amlet area falling under the Kopili MSC constituency has charged that local MSC Pavan Kumar has completely failed to look after the area, to which their area continued to be and remain utterly backward with no roads and other basic infrastructure. Locals expressed their deep dismay over the deplorable condition of their area, stating that they have been deprived of all government assistance and developmental benefits. The roads are full of countless potholes, mudslots, and dirt tracks which always pose risks to locals and other commuters. Locals stated that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has completed 70 years of its existence, yet no elected representative has visited their area to acquaint themselves of the problems and needs of the area. People pointed out that regardless of parties, leaders are only seen during election meetings. Then, their area would remain completely forgotten once these elected representatives are voted to power. Further, locals expressed their dismay for the fact that the council has over 30 departments, yet no schemes or projects has ever been introduced or implemented in the area and have therefore remained deprived of all benefits. People of the area have severely criticized MSC Pavan Kumar, alleging of only making fake promises as none of his promises are fulfilled, and alleged that he had remained out of sight ever since being voted to power.
non dobam Pawan Kumar sa melang lisa me lapuna tu nang cihumri ra tawar koson ma lahai bang alang kebang nang kelang si me lasi department PWD department adolo block adolo stame lahai department kedo thoi phis tame lapu bang ke tawar phan thang nap kelang non anta avela lasi litum akisung nai bang ke tawar lo athe kesu ke thang ta chi puthek the anung velune ajolune adablune thangte piute sitame ilitum la kisu ke pon ke wanja phan otu le chu hang sita wangun ke wang ni ning hang sita ato war masi wangun bike penta ahut pane along pan long kang doi la si sung pik la si la so ki sung pik along alang letum council ke do EMC matum stame la da ke na lang ja phan bala pu abar nangkelang jepan nang komre jepan alang litum panstame chuning rilo pening thelo
rup sing kron nang hai thule lo la swa ke hai la along la no na phi BJP nang ke hai tho hu to sa to kidu kila sung nai ahabar along nang lang pia samte nilhin ganta la to long panang litum prabjen pen pinipina na pininga ningkan ningkanang bang.
Disappointed locals told Karbi Anglong Live that all of the people of the area voted for Rup Singh Theron in the recently MLA election on the appeal of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, and therefore locals have urged upon the KAAC chief for his immediate attention and intervention in order to solve their decades-long problems of road connectivity, which they said was the most important need of the area.
Alulo la nilitum lanji thing pen ke danglok lanji thing rongapam kandong bichelong naglangkar suwi amlet habat non anta ka phihuba ajone sinilitum
nalitum hanang tuning rinang koglo nilitum along ladak kupli homostis tami MEC do Pawan Kumar do puboi fis tami no anda nilitum along nangkelang le joksi no nilitum tami towar dalong le delo mege aphilam lo sitami towar nonta nalitum da theglong lo ladak nang claim lo inu bhani nang claim lo tami no anda lapu sai oi so nang claim lo ribit le nang thokta bre thangta lengle ribit nang thokta mane roller ta pa koi kelo mate towar ka pohota ap koson aphuda teng ta hut he lai hai sinilitum theglong lo lasi non bhut ke jok pusta me nilitum da pahai bom lo ha man tuni benta nilitum ta BJP phande bhut pini polo pi bom lo rongarat.
Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. In another shocking and depressing news, at least 18 wild elephants were killed by lightning on Wednesday night near a Karbi village inside Socheng Thenta MSC constituency in Karbi Anglong district. 2021 has not only been one of the most deadly year for India, as more than 2 lakhs of people have lost their lives to COVID-19 virus and is still rising, and the battle is on to control the spread and daily fatalities. And May 12 could be also the worst day for animal lovers, as 18 wild elephants were reportedly killed by lightning on Wednesday near a Karbi village. The villagers discover the dead elephants scattered in the site where the Karbis perform their rituals. The dead elephants includes calves, and it is likely that dead elephants are part of the herd. No further detail was available at the time of filing this report. Hundreds of people were seen reaching the spot to see the wild jumpers lying dead. News X report, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.